Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make TradingView full screen in Mobile Easy method. Open the TradingView app and load your chart, then tap the chart area to reveal controls and tap the full screen icon in the top right. If you don't see it, rotate to Landscape or Hide panels via the Layout menu. This method works on both Android and iOS and keeps your indicators intact for fast analysis. Want a cleaner view? Pinch to zoom and drag the chart to center price action, then hide the watch list and panels to free up space. Switch to Landscape and lock your screen rotation for steady full-screen viewing during analysis. Use the Layout menu to toggle indicators and keep only essentials visible. These small steps help you read candles, patterns, and indicators faster while on the go. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more short tips for mobile trading. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, perfect for long chart sessions and commutes. I linked it in the description along with other deals, so take a look if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If full screen won't activate, force close TradingView and reopen your chart, then try tapping again. Verify you have the latest app update and allow necessary permissions for orientation and display. If issues persist, restart your phone or reinstall the app to clear corrupted settings. Finally, test on another device if possible to see whether the problem is device-specific or account-related, which helps isolate the cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.